Hello everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Wuxi Haiwo Metal Products Company. Our company was founded in 2005. Our company specializes in the production of stainless steel plates, stainless steel tubes, stainless steel rods, and other stainless steel profiles. First, we are going to visit our workshop, and on my right side, these are our cold rolled stainless steel coils. And we also can notice that this is our stainless steel on-coil machine. On my right side, this is our stainless steel slitting machine. These are our finished products. Let's take a closer look at them. Then we are going to visit stainless steel pipe making machine. The length can be customized according to customers' requirements. Our standing stock is sufficient, the customized production is fast, and the delivery is timely. And these are our finished products. Behind of me, this is our automatic cutting equipment. Next, here is our laser cutting machine. Behind of me, this is our laser cutting equipment. At the end, I will show you our warehouse.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.